What's up guys, I'm kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with CurlsCurls. They sent me over some of their curly clip-ins and I'll just be trying them on and showing you guys a couple of cute styles that you can do with them. So in this video I'll be doing style number 1, where I'll be showing how to do a twist out with the hair and also how to blend your natural hair in a way that it is undetectable. So I'm really excited to show you guys how the style turned out. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I'll be doing is just braiding my hair down, and I already parted the center of my hair into like a U part. So I'll just be braiding around that U part, and I'm taking my braids straight down just like a regular scalp braid. And you want to make sure that your braids are nice and tight because this is the foundation for your clip-ins, and you want to make sure that they are on nice and strong because we don't need no clip-ins falling out while we going about our day. Also, as you can see, I did leave a piece out in the front, and this is just going to be your leave out. This is what you're going to use to blend in with your clip-ins. So this is how my braids turned out. I connected all of the ends together, and then I just used a bobby pin to hold all of them down. Alright guys, so the star of the show is here. Here are the clip-ins up close and personal, and this is their 3B 3C hair texture, and this is their thick 10-piece hair bundle. I got the hair in 16 inches, and all that I've done to the hair so far is just dyed it black, and as you can see, it took the dye really well, so I'm really satisfied so far. Here's another look at another one of the clip-ins. This one has 3 clips on it, and this one has 5 clips. So as you can see, you do have a different range of widths within the clip-ins, so I really do like that. So let's go ahead and get into installing them. The installation was definitely not hard at all. All I did was just take the clip-ins, and I kind of measured which ones would fit the best. So for the back of my head, I did use the 5-piece clip-in, and to get them hooked on, all I did was take my fingers and open up the clip, hook them onto my braid, and then you're going to use your thumbs to close the clips and to lock the clip-in in place. So I'm all done with my first row, and as you can see, the clip-ins are definitely on nice and tight, and they are not going anywhere, sis. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next section and just keep on doing the same steps until I get to the very top. Okay, so I'm all done installing them, and now I'm going to go ahead and get into styling, which is my favorite part. And as you can see, the hair is nice and thick. So the first thing that I'm doing is just taking my finger and sectioning off the back, which is where I'm going to start the first row of my twist. So now I'm just taking my paddle brush and I'm just running it through the hair just to make sure it's nice and detangled. As you can see, the brush just slid right through the hair, so I was definitely loving that. The products that I'll be using is just the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk, and also my Eco Styling Gel in olive oil, and I'll just be running that through the hair, and then I'm going to just begin twisting. So for my leave out, I'm going to go ahead and twist it up with the clip-ins, and this is just to help it blend a little better. So I'm just unraveling it and just doing the same steps that I did to the other pieces, and I'm just going to twist it in with the clip-ins. So this is how my hair looked after I finished twisting all of the clip-ins, and I finished twisting my leave out at the top, and I ended up having 3 pieces left over. So I let my hair kind of dry for like 2 hours, but then I hopped in the shower, so a few of them got a little damp, so I'm just taking my blow dryer and just kind of blowing them a little bit just to make sure it's nice and dry. Now I'm going to take my fingers and just carefully take apart my twist. You can also apply some oil to your fingers just to make sure the hair doesn't frizz up while you're trying to take them loose. This time I didn't use oil, and as you can see, the hair came out really nice and defined. After I got done untwisting the clip-ins, I went ahead and moved on to the top of my hair where my leave out was, and I just untwisted my hair as well. And then I just kind of ran my fingers through it, played with it a little bit, and then I'm going to get my wide tooth comb and just kind of comb through it a little bit, because I don't like my twist out to be too defined. I kind of like it to be, you know, kind of look like I've worn it for a couple days. And as you can see, this hair is blending in with mine so well. I just had to tuck it behind my ear a little bit because my ends are a little damaged, but other than that, it looks really, really good. So now I decided that I wanted to do like a little kind of behind the ear pent up kind of look. So I'm just going to use some bobby pins and some eco styling gel, and I just pin my hair back, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges down. Then I decided I wanted it to be a little more sleek in the front, so I just took my brush and brushed it down and then re-bobby pinned it, and then I just played with it a little bit. I went off camera and did my makeup, so now I'm just taking my pick and I'm just kind of playing with it a little more. Also, I took some hair out on the side and just kind of put a little gel in it to make it curl up a little bit, and just to make the whole thing look really natural. And here is the finished look. I was on my way out the door and I was like, girl, your hair is popping. I absolutely love the way it turned out, and I'm definitely happy with these clip-ins. They look so natural and they blend with my hair so well. If you guys want more information on these clip-ins, definitely check out the link in my bio. I also have a $5 discount code, so make sure you check my description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out CurlsCurls Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.